Hi there, I am Patricia, the face behind the hands and all the crochet videos that I have here on my YouTube channel. And I just wanted to say hello and welcome to my YouTube channel and to wish you a Happy New Year. It's one of my New Year's resolutions was to create a welcome video for my channel. So that New Year's resolution is done. And yeah, and so I just want to welcome you. And I had a lot of new subscribers over the holiday season, so thank you for subscribing. And I do have a lot of different crochet tutorials here. And if you go over to my playlists, I do try to sort of organize them there so you can find what you're looking for. And I do have some meditations here, which you might find odd, crochet and meditations, but you know, they're kind of similar because crochet, in fact, is very relaxing. And there have been some studies done that show that there's a lot of healing benefits that go along with crocheting and knitting and any kind of arts that you do with your hands. And I do have an article about that, and I'll put a link to that below. But yeah, so I have all kinds of videos here, and I do a written blog post for each video. Sometimes I write a pattern, sometimes I don't. It just depends on how I'm feeling. And yeah, so I think that's about all that I want to say besides welcome. And I'm coming to you here from our beautiful Northeast Woods. It's a 400-acre nature reserve right behind our home, and I'm here on the west coast of British Columbia. It's -9, which is quite cold for us for this time of year, and that's Celsius, so 0 is freezing. So all these yummy, warm, cozy, crocheted scarves and hats and mitts are wonderful this time of year. So I hope you enjoy yourself here and on my videos. I appreciate when you give them a thumbs up, and that helps my channel be more successful, and I really appreciate that. So welcome, and have a very happy New Year.